Now it's time to wait for these engines to come by.
Trick or treat!
Here's the candy.
Thank you! Trick or treat!
Here you go, my friends.
Thank you.
Hey, Tiana, you handing out the candy for the engines? Yep, it's an exciting night. You can rest now. I'll hand out the candy. Andy, you don't have to.
Trick or treat.
Hey, 4645, are you supposed to be a BCOL teardrop locomotive or a grime-covered locomotive?
Dude, are you really that blind? Or you just can't see my nose stripes?
Nah, I'm joking. Here's the candy. Well, thank you, 8540.
You didn't give me any H1-9 here. You gave me the wrong stuff.
Really? Alright, trick or treat, you heritage one, whatever you call yourself.
Ah, jeez.
Trick or treat. Here you go. Hey, what the hell? I asked for something decent, and you give me a Raggedy Florence and Cripple Creek boxcar? Seriously? Hey, calm the hell down. At least you got something in return. Oh, hell no. Not the Western Pacific. You killed our Nevada-California-Oregon railway line back in the early 1900s. You 10-wheeler copycat. How are you even still alive? Only kept because that 5036 can't simply work 5 minutes without thinking about her. What about you? You arrive at your destinations an hour late. You prick!